Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake letters. First, you'll want to bake a sturdy sheet cake. A 9 by 13-inch rectangular cake is ideal for most letter shapes. Make sure your cake is completely cooled before moving on, as a warm cake will crumble when cut. A dense vanilla or pound cake recipe works wonderfully for this project, providing a stable base for your edible art. Next, let's create your letter templates. You can print out large letters from your computer or freehand draw them onto parchment paper. Ensure the letter is sized appropriately to fit on your baked sheet cake, leaving some margin. Carefully cut out your paper template. This will be your guide for precise cake cutting, so take your time to make it neat and accurate. Now for the fun part, cutting your cake. Gently place your paper letter template onto the cooled cake. You can secure it with a few toothpicks if needed to prevent slipping. Using a sharp, serrated knife, carefully cut around the edges of your template. Take slow, steady strokes to achieve clean lines. Remove the excess cake, and you'll have your perfect letter shape ready for decorating. Finally, it's time to decorate your beautiful cake letter. Start with a thin crumb coat of frosting to lock in any loose crumbs, then chill it for about 15 minutes. After that, apply your main layer of frosting, smoothing it out for a polished look. Get creative with sprinkles, fresh berries, candies, or even edible flowers to make your cake truly unique and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.